Look. Hey. Okay. Morning. Hey, come here. Come here. Where's your ball? Where's your ball go? No. Well, don't drink all that. Hey, come here. Go play. Go frolic. I'm gonna wear you out before I start work. Hey, don't pee on that. Weirdo. Weirdo. What are you doing? What are you doing? Good morning. So this is our dog. He's been rehomed. Hey. What'd you do with your ball, dude? Oh, what I got? Go get it. So, this is our world now. A high energy dog. This is the first high energy dog we've had in a long time. Right? Are you high energy, dude? So yeah, Shannon Thomas Trucking. She brought us the dog. It was originally a dog that lived in Nevada. Oh, wait. Come here. Hey. Alright, drop this ball here. Oh, go get it. Go get it. Oops. And I'm horrible at camera work. Here, drop, 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 drop. Go get it. Here, sit. Good dog. Good dog. Here we go. He's pretty good at it, that. Hey, come here. Come here. Definitely has some training to do. So basically, things fell apart for a friend of mine. And the couple that had this dog, they had to rehome him. Shannon Thomas was a part of that. Come here. So now he has a new home. Oh, is that weird? Dude, that's a pumpkin. Why is that strange to you? Is that weird? Why is that weird? Dude, so there's this old jack-o'-lantern I put on this thing. He is scared to death of it. Hey. It's just a jack-o'-lantern. It's one of those lamps. And I put it on top of the trailer. Like, he's growling and everything. Dude, come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do something happy. Go get it. Like a scarecrow for dogs, I guess. Jeez. That's funny. You're a funny guy. You funny guy. So anyways, that's... Oh, bonk. Oh, get it. Sorry, I'm horrible with the camera work, but concentrate more on him. I mean, the idea is to wear him out before work, right? Got to give these blue heelers a job. And right now, we haven't figured out what his job's going to be yet. The cats and him have not gone along at all. And, let's check things out. Hey, come here. Come here. Anyways. Hey, stop drinking that water, dweeb. Alright, he's ready to go in. Hey, get out of there. Come here. Go play. You know, it's funny, the neighbors next door, they have like 15 dogs. And, you know, when we picked him up last night from Shannon's truck, he was all distracted. He was all over the place. He'd been cooped up in the truck all day. And we thought, okay, when he gets to the house, he'll be nice and quiet, you know. And now the neighbors, they're on the way of moving out. But they, for some reason, they returned yesterday. And with their dogs, and so all night he was like up and down the fence, you know, going after their dogs, you know. But yeah. Neo, hey, come here, up. He needs some training. He needs some love. Hey, come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, get out there. Come on. He's exploring, getting used to his new environment. Like, it's all this green stuff. Anyways, I want to thank Shannon Thomas for bringing him to us. And, you know, say some prayers for Sterling and Crystal and you know, it's a sad situation, but sorry, I'm not laughing at that. He's grabbing that stick. What are you doing, dude? There's like 3,000 sticks on the ground, and you're grabbing the one off the fence. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. What about that big stick? Grab that big stick. Here, you want this one? Oh, look. He's like, that's too big, dude. That's too big. I'm gonna pee on it, though. So yeah, this is our world now. Got a doggy. First dog we've had since Diesel died. And yeah, he's gonna be a bundle of energy. So my morning quiet coffee moments have been disrupted, but that's fine. Look, it's good to be uncomfortable sometimes. And all I can think of is how uncomfortable this is for him. Completely new environment, whole new batch of people. You know, he just spent 2,500 miles in a truck, you know. Which, you know, he was used to a truck before, but actually about 1,800 miles. And, you know, and now he's just kind of getting used to things. Last night was tough. He slept with our daughter, but, you know, he was trying to get settled in. You know, he'd been cooped up all day, so it was tough for him to wind down. But once he's done exploring this, hey, no. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Good boy. Good boy. So, excuse the mess on the back porch. But, anyways, we have a blue heeler now. We'll see how. What are you doing? We'll see how this goes. Peace. Thanks, Shannon.